Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we have to calculate national income by income expenditure or value added method. So let us start. Number 1, income method. The components of income method are net domestic product at factor cost is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. The main components of compensation of employees are: number 1, wages and salaries, which is 100 plus employer's contribution 100 plus 70 plus item number 1, rent plus profit, item number 5th plus interest 9th plus mixed income item number 8th plus 40 plus 25 plus 9th item is 30 plus the value of mixed income is 200. So 170 plus 95 plus 200, it will be 465. So 465 is the value of NDP at FC and we have to calculate national income. So national income or NNP at FC is equal to NDP at FC plus net factor income from abroad is equal to the value of NDP at FC, that is 465 plus factor income paid to abroad or factor income received from abroad. तो received में से paid, that would be deducted item number 18th minus factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. 10 465 plus 10 minus 15, 465 minus 5 is equal to 460. So the value of national income by income method is 460. Next we have to calculate number 2, expenditure method. Components of expenditure method are GDP at MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports is equal to private final consumption expenditure item number 19th plus government final consumption expenditure item number 12th, 200 plus 300 plus gross domestic fixed capital formation item number which is 40 plus change in stock, because fixed capital formation is given, so we will add change in stock in it. Change in stock item number 4 which is 10 plus exports minus imports. Exports are 80 or imports are minus 30 is equal to 500 plus 50 plus 50 is equal to 600. 600 is the value of GDP at MP, and we have to calculate national income is equal to NNP at FC. Recently we have calculated GDP at MP. GDP at MP minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes is equal to 600 minus the value of depreciation, which is 55, plus factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad minus net indirect taxes. Indirect taxes minus subsidies. Minus subsidies, item number 3rd. And the values will be 600 minus 55 minus 5 minus item number 700 minus 20 minus 80. The answer is 460. So the value of national income by expenditure method is 460. Then next we have to calculate value added method. Third one is value added. Value added is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption is equal to value of output by primary sector, item number 11, plus which is 1000. Then value of output by other sectors, item number 15th, which is 400, minus value of intermediate consumption, raw material purchased by primary sector 500 plus raw material purchased by other sector 300. These were item number 7 plus item number 20th, which is equivalent to 1400 minus 800 is equal to 600. So the value of GDP at MP was 600. Now let us calculate national income. National income is equal to GDP at MP minus depreciation plus NFYA minus net indirect taxes is equal to 600 minus 55 plus minus 5 or minus 80 is equal to again 460. So the national income by all the three methods are same. So we can say that income is equal to expenditure is equal to production. 460 is equal to 460 is equal to 460 is equal to national income. So that's all regarding the solution of this sum. Do subscribe the channel to see more videos related to national income numericals. Thank you.